Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know we are discussing our topic computer networks. So today in this topic we will discuss about different type of networks. So without wasting any time let's start. So as you can see we have four types of network. First one is LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. PAN is the smallest network, then the LAN, then MAN and WAN. So let's discuss about all of them in detail. First one is PAN, which means personal area network. This type of network is used to connect the devices like printer, cell phones, tablets, etc. belonging to an individual. The coverage area of this network is very small and is in the range of 5 to 10 meters only. So as you can see, some examples of personal area network are headphone, mobile phone, printer, wireless mouse and wireless keyboard and many more things. So Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are example of PAN. It means the devices which connects with the help of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are example of personal area network. Second one is LAN. LAN is larger than PAN. So when two or more computers are connected within a small range, like a room, office building or a campus, it is termed a local area network. The maximum range of local area network is 10 km. A LAN can have minimum 2 and maximum 1000 computer maximum in local area network. So the local area network basically used in schools, buildings, organizations, etc. So the third one is MAN. MAN is larger than LAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. It is larger network as compared to LAN, or we can say MAN is a connection of many LAN. If we connect many local area network with each other, then it makes a metropolitan area network. So it can cover a city used wired medium. So MAN basically used wired medium. The size of MAN can range from 10 to 50 kilometers, and the example of metropolitan area network is cable TV network. As you have cable TV at your home, this is the example of metropolitan area network. Last one is WAN, which is the largest network. So when two or more computers located at faraway places linked by communication technologies, then it forms a WAN, which means wide area network. This type of network covers a large geographical area across the country or a continent. It means WAN is a very large network which can cover a complete country. It can connect one country to another. A railway reservation system, ATMs are the good example of wide area network, and the largest example of wide area network is internet. Yes, internet is the biggest example of a wide area network. So fiber optic cables and microwaves are used in WAN for sharing data and resources. So these are our four types of network. Let's compare them. So as you can see, LAN stands for local area network, MAN stands for metropolitan area network, and WAN stands for wide area network. In LAN, a network that connects a group of computers in a small geographical area. MAN, it covers a relatively large region such as cities and towns, and when it spans large locality and connect countries together. Ownership of network is LAN is a private network. You can build a network LAN network at your office, building, etc. MAN could be a private or public network, and WAN could be a private and public network also. Design: LAN is easy to design, MAN is difficult, and WAN is also difficult to design. Propagation: the propagation is short in LAN, moderate in MAN, and long in WAN. Speed of LAN is very high compared to MAN and WAN. Speed of MAN is medium or moderate, and WAN is the slowest network among the all three. Fault tolerance: fault tolerance is more in LAN, less in MAN, and also less in WAN. Congestion is less in LAN, more in MAN, and more in WAN. LAN networks are basically used for or used in college, school, office, hospital, etc. MAN used for small towns and cities, and WAN used for country and continent. Single pair of devices to communicate. It means in LAN we can communicate single pair devices. In MAN it allows multiple computer can simultaneously interact, and in WAN a huge group of computer can communicate at the same time. As we use internet, many person can use the internet at the same time. So these are some main networks. So I hope it's clear now. So that is it for today. Thank you so much, students.